For the first question, explain the meaning of differentiation and what are the techniques of differentiation. So, differentiation is the process of finding the derivative of a function, which represents the instantaneous rate of change of that function with respect to its input variable. Next, we have 5 techniques of differentiation. That is, the first one is derivative of constant, linear, and power function. As you can see, the formula is like shown here. The first one is very simple. The second one is derivative of sum and difference. And for the third one is product rule. For product rule and the quotient rule, we have 2 different formula which will be used and will provide the same outcome for our problem solving. And for the last one, we have derivative of trigonometry, exponential, and logarithmic functions. As you can see here, there's a lot of formula here, so you will need to memorize it before solving your problem or taking your examination. And for the notes, only one of the formula, that is ln to the power of x, it stays the same even though after it is differentiate. So that's all for question 1. Off we go to question 2.
Then let's go to the next part, which is question 2. For part A, given the question is 3x squared, second x plus 2. So first, we need to identify which rule we can use. So for here, we can use the product rule, which is vu prime plus v prime u. And then we need to identify which is the u and v. So for this question, the u is 3x squared. Then we differentiate the u to prime, which is 6x. So for the v is second x plus 2. So differentiate the v, which is v prime, ddx second x plus 2. Next, it will be second x plus 2 times tan x plus 2 times ddx x plus 2. So we need to differentiate for this part, which is it will result with 1. So the result is second x plus 2 times tan x plus 2 times 1. So for the final answer, it will result as second x plus 2 times tan x plus 2. Then we insert into the formula, which is dy dx times dy dx equal to 3x squared second x plus 2 tan x plus 2 plus second x plus 2 6x. And then final answer, which is it will be second x plus 2 times in the bracket 3x squared tan x plus 2 plus 6x. So what I'm doing here is I factorize for the second x plus 2, which is for this part and this part. So for the next question is question B. The question given, which is y equal to 4x plus 2 divided by cos x. So we need to identify which rule can we use, which is the quotient rule. The quotient rule is given u prime v minus u v prime divided by v squared. So for the u is 4x plus 2, then we differentiate the u, which is 4. For v, it is cos x, and we differentiate the v prime, which is negative sin x. For the dy dx, we use the insert the formula 4 times cos x minus 4x plus 2 times negative sin x divided by cos square x. Then after we times for both of these, the result for 4 cos x plus 4x plus 2 sin x divided by cos square x. And then what I do here is I will divide it into 2 parts, which is it will become 4 cos x divided by cos square x plus 4x plus 2 sin x divided by cos square x. So for this part, for the first part, 4 cos x divided by cos square x, we can cut for this both and result for 4 divided by cos x. 1 over cos x is second x. Then it will result as 4 second x. For the second part, is 4x plus 2 in bracket sin x divided by cos square x. So it will be 4. I will also divide this into 2 parts, which is 4x plus 2 divided by cos x times sin x over cos x. So for sin x over cos x is tangent x. And then for 1 over cos x, it will result as second x. So the answer will be 4x plus 2 in the bracket second x tan x. So the final answer will be dy dx 4 second x plus 4x plus 2 second x tan x. That's all for the question number 2. Thank you.
So what's up guys? So we're gonna do question 3. Question 3 is y ln 3x minus e power of 2x plus 1 minus tan 4y equals to 0. So what we need to do is find dy dx using implicit differentiation. So the first step, we need to differentiate all of the equation using d dx. We use two rules here, which is product rule and chain rule. As you can see here, we have combined all of the rule together to form an equation. Then we can simplify the equation to get y over x plus ln 3x dy dx minus e power of 2x plus 1 multiply with 2 minus sec square 4y. So after that, we move y over x to the right side of the equation to form negative y over x. And then we move 2e power of 2x plus 1 to the right side of the equation. And then we factorize the equation in the left side to get dy dx. And after that, we have the equation right here. So the equation we form right here. But we can remove x by simply multiply all the equation with x. So the final answer will be here.
Hi, so I'm gonna explain question 4. So the question is, use linear approximation to estimate the value of 4th root 80.99 minus by 2 over third 80.99 correct to 3 decimal places. So right now, is the given value of x is 80.99, and then we must find the nearest value of x that we call x naught. We find that x naught is equal to 81. So after that, we must find the delta x. Delta x is equal to x minus by x naught. So the delta x is equal to negative 0.01. Then we use fx equal to 4th root x minus by 2 over square root x. Then we convert them to x power of 1 over 4 minus by 2x power of minus 1 over 2. And then we find the derivative of fx. So it will be equal to 1 over 4 x power of minus 3 over 4 plus x power of minus 3 over 2. Then we must substitute the x with the x naught value that we found earlier. So we will substitute the x, and we will get 2.7778. After that, we substitute x naught in the derivative of x, and we will get 0.0106. After that, we use the linear approximation formula, that is f x naught plus delta x approximately equal to f x naught plus f derivative x naught times by delta x. We substitute all the answer, and then we will get f 80.99 approximately equal to 2.778. So that's all for question 4. Thank you.